Verdax, world of tomorrow.
Our planet is at a tipping point.
Climate change, biodiversity loss, water scarcity. One company is reimagining our future.
From the heart of India, a new vision rises.
Welcome to Verdax, a clean tech company from India with a global climate mission.
We design and deploy climate-positive solutions that restore ecosystems, power communities, and generate real impact.
Our work bridges nature and innovation pre-apps to restore, decarbonize, and empower.
Verdax Greenscape Solid, Agroforestry for climate resilience. Carbon projects that restore nature and remove emissions.
Verdax Organics, oiling, healing soil, naturally.
Verdax Renewables, clean power everywhere.
Verdax Windgrid, harnessing the winds of change.
Verdax Bioenergy, Antu, turning waste into watts.
Verdax Green Wheels, Verdax, driving clean mobility forward.
Verdax Aquagrid, restoring water, sustaining life. Kumva, every drop counts.
Verdax Carbon Plus, measuring carbon, verifying real impact. Carbon Tracked, lives powered, results that matter and last.
We assess, we design, we implement every project, every time.
We restore land. We light lives. We deliver results you can see.
We are scientists, engineers, and changemakers, world, united by purpose and planet. We partner with investors, donors, and institutions to build impact together.
From India to the world, Verdax solutions scale across borders.
Join us.
Partner with us.
Let's build a regenerative tomorrow together.